Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. Thank you so much for working hard last week. I enjoyed our conversations on the discussion board. I thought they were interesting and insightful. So thank you for that. And for those of you that submitted all of the assignments last week, thank you for doing that. It was the syllabus quiz and then the time entry assignment. If by some chance you did not get the opportunity to submit, please do so this week because zeros can really hurt your grade. And so if you have the opportunity to submit, you always should because you don't want your average to fall. Okay, so if you have any questions about the material or the work from last week, please let me know. Okay, so in week 2, we are going to be discussing causes of action in civil court. So as you know, if a plaintiff decides they want to sue someone in civil court, they have to have a specific cause of action and they have to prove every element of that cause of action in order to win the lawsuit. So an example that comes to mind is say you were a plaintiff in a case and you were choosing to sue someone over a slip and fall. So say you're in the grocery store and you slipped and fell and you got hurt and you are suing that grocery store for negligence. So to be successful, you'd have to prove all the elements of negligence. You'd have to prove that the grocery store owed you a duty, the duty of care, that they breached that duty of care, that breach was the cause of your accident, and that you incurred damages as a result of the breach and the breach of the duty of care or the accident. Okay, and if you're able to successfully prove every element, then you would win the case. The other side of the coin is the defendant, the grocery store here, would be defending against each element of the cause of action. And if they're able to just defend even one element, then they would be successful because the plaintiff has to prove every single element in order to win. Okay, so that is how a cause of action gets litigated in civil court. But in order to be successful on either side, both sides have to present evidence in their favor. And so that's kind of what we're learning about this week. We're going to learn about how to prove the different elements of a cause of action and the types of evidence that you would use in court to be successful. And that's what the readings are about. So if you have any questions as you read the textbook, please let me know. If anything sparks a question in you, reach out. The assignment this week is kind of along those same lines. Basically, in the assignment, you're going to interview a friend or coworker or family member and ask them about a situation they've been in that could have maybe resulted in a lawsuit. It could be real, it could be made up, say a car accident or a slip and fall, or anything that could potentially result in a lawsuit. Again, it doesn't have to be real. And you are going to come up with some questions that you would ask them, and you should record the questions and record their answers. And that's the first part of the assignment. And then the second part of the assignment is to look at the instructions and answer some questions about the questions that you asked. So it'll make more sense when you actually see the assignment, but I think it's a useful exercise that'll probably be kind of fun. But if you do run into any issues or questions as you're working through it, then please reach out to me. Okay, and then we also have a discussion board this week, and the topic is, well, the topic requires you to do a little bit of digging. You're going to research to see if in your state a paralegal is permitted to represent a client in a proceeding at a state administrative agency. So not a court of law, but a state administrative agency. So just do some digging there and then answer the discussion questions about that topic, and hopefully we'll have some interesting and useful conversations about it. Okay, so again, if you have any questions about anything, I'm here. I love questions, and I look forward to working with you this week. Thanks.